choke you, but I ain't no killer, baby. She 28, telling me I'm still a baby. I get love in Detroit like Skillet, baby. And the thing about your boy is
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down. But you can whip your lovin' on me.
That's right, that's right.
Whip your lovin' on me.
Young J-A-C-K-A-K-A, Rico like Suave, young Enrique, speaking at AKA. She's an alpha, but not around your boy. She get quiet around your boy. Hold on, don't know what you heard or what you thought about your boy, but they lied about your boy. Going dumb and it's something idiotic about your boy. She wearing cheetah print, that's how bad she won't be spotted around your boy.
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down. But you can whip your lovin' on me, baby. Whip your lovin' on me.
It's King Kilo back again with another sneaker unboxing. Y'all know what time it is. Go ahead and do your boy a favor. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave some comments down below. We just cracked 1K. Now we on the road to 2K. So help me get there by doing those things. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get off into the video. So I just got these shoes in from GOAT. Y'all already know what shoes they are. Take them out of the box. Let's get it. Nike Dunk box. Y'all know what time it is. Size 13. Boom. Generic Nike on all sides of the box. Just like that. Open this bad boy up. Boom. Y'all see that, man. I got the Nike Dunk Low Retro St. John's, size 13, my personal size. And I paid 60 bucks for this shoe, y'all. 60 bucks.
What?
Now, I know y'all probably saying, bro, he capping. Yeah, nah. We got these for 60, no cap. And I did get them from GOAT. So you see the little GOAT tag. Assurance of authenticity right there. Boom. Little thing right here. Boom. So everything in here. So see the paper, tissue paper, little GOAT tag stuck in there. And then we got that quality control right here, sticker on the side. And this is a Dunk Low SP, so they got good materials, y'all. So comes with a set of white laces. White on red, you can never really go wrong. And I bet y'all wondering how I got the shoe for $60. So basically what happened was these shoes restocked on the sneakers app and I wasn't able to get them. So I went straight to GOAT right after they released and I saw that there was a new pair, but it was like a damaged box or something like that. And this is the damaged box, y'all. This right here. So I ended up getting these for 60 bucks. And then they said there was some creasing on it as well, which I can't really see. Especially not on the right shoe, which I'm gonna show y'all right here. No creasing on a toe box or anything like that. Nothing that I can see. Y'all let me know if I'm tripping or not. But a little bit of creasing right there. Nothing too major. They're brand new, so I'm not really tripping. And no creasing on the uppers for real on the left shoe as well. So y'all can see that right there. I'll go ahead and do like a 360 for y'all. Probably do a B-roll as well. But as you can see, no creasing, brand new shoes. So $60 for these. I'll go ahead and throw like the price tag up like on this side right here so you guys can see that I paid $61 for these shoes. And like obviously like with shipping and everything, it came out to about 80 bucks, and these shoes retail for 120. So I saved about $40 on GOAT. Shout out to GOAT. And I got me a dope new pair, y'all, for the low. Y'all let me know, man, did I get a steal or not? Like, you feel me? Because I think that $61, like, this shoe was basically half off for me. You feel me? Like, half off. So, come with white laces. They lace with the red. I'll probably swap these out and throw in some white laces. I think I like the white lace look better than the red laces. But y'all can go ahead and comment down below and let me know how y'all feel about that. But yeah, I'm about to throw these white laces in, and then I might get into a little quick on feet. So I just took the red laces out of the right shoe, just the right shoe only, and now I'm gonna put the white laces in. So let's see how they look. So this is what the white lace look like in the dunks. Y'all can see, I like these a lot better. Y'all let me know which ones y'all choose. I think the red is like too basic, but the white just kind of like pop. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know down in the comments though. But give y'all a more detailed look at the shoe. Let me go ahead and throw a B-roll on there, alright?
Ain't no killer, baby. She 28, telling me I'm still a baby. I get love in Detroit like Skilla, baby. And the thing about your boy is
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down.
but you can
Whip your lovin' on me.
That's right.
Whip your lovin' on me.
Young Jackaka Rico like Suave.
Like I said though, super solid pair, $60. Can't go wrong for that. Super steal, way below retail. Y'all let me know if I hit a lick on these or not, man, cause I don't know where y'all getting these for $60. Like, you feel me? Y'all could probably get these for under retail brand new, but $60, nah. And I think they going for like $200. So like, you feel me? I really paid like half off for this shoe. Crazy. But yeah, man, super lit. But like I said in the beginning of the video, man, goal for this channel, man, is to get to 2,000 subscribers. We're on the road there. We're well on our way. We just cracked 1K. So go ahead and show your boys some love and support by subscribing to the channel and liking this video, man, so I can give you guys more dope unboxing, more dope videos, and, you know, go through that whole process with y'all so you guys can see me grow on YouTube. You feel me? But that's it for this portion of the video. Now let's get into the on V.
Baby, I get love in Detroit like Skilla, baby. And the thing about your boy is
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down.
but you can
Whip your lovin' on me.
That's right.
Whip your lovin' on me.
Young Jackaka Rico like Suave. Young Enrique speaking at AKA. She's an alpha but not around your boy. She get quiet around your boy. Hold on, don't know what you heard or what you thought about your boy, but they lied about your boy. Going dumb and it's something idiotic about your boy. She wearing cheetah print. That's how bad she won't be spotted around your boy.
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down. But you can whip your lovin' on me, baby. Whip your lovin' on me.
I'm vanilla, baby. I'll choke you, but I ain't no killer, baby. She 28, telling me I'm still a baby. I get love in Detroit like Skilla, baby. And the thing about your boy is
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down.
but you can
Whip your lovin' on me, baby. Whip your lovin' on me.
Young MISSIONARY. He sharp like barbed wire. She stole my heart, then she got archived. I keep it short with a bitch, Lord Farquaad. All the girls in the front row, all the girls at the barricade, all the girls have been waiting all day. Let your tongue hang out, fuck everything. If you came with a man, let go of his hand. Everybody in the suite kicking up they feet. Stand up, bitch, dance. And all the guys in the back waiting on the next track. Cut your boy a little slack. It's Young Jack. I'm vanilla, baby. I'll choke you, but I ain't no killer, baby. She 28, telling me I'm still a baby. I get love in Detroit like Skilla, baby. And the thing about your boy is
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down.
but you can
Whip your lovin' on me.
That's right.
Whip your lovin'